Welcome to Taylor Morrison. This video series is designed to make your Taylor Morrison homeowner experience even better. Just follow these easy do-it-yourself tips. They may help you save some valuable time and money. This is your toolkit to help you preserve your home and protect your investment. So let's dive in to some home care highlights. Protect and preserve your home like a pro. In this video, we will cover maintenance for your garbage disposal. Here are some items you may need before getting started. You will need 1 to 2 cups of ice cubes. If you prefer a nice fresh scent, purchase a lemon at your local produce or grocery store. You may also need a flashlight and a box of baking soda. To exercise weekly cleaning or anytime your garbage disposal begins to emit a foul odor, pour 1 to 2 cups of ice cubes down your disposal. This will act as a natural abrasive cleaner to remove food particles that may build up and cause mechanical issues over time. The ice cubes will also act as a blade sharpener, which will enhance your disposal's efficiency. For an additional step in keeping your disposal fresh, slice some lemons and add them to your disposal with running warm water. Adding baking soda will also help in eliminating odors. Protect your disposal by keeping it covered with the provided drain plug when not in use. In the event that your garbage disposal becomes overloaded, it may suddenly stop working. Make sure that your power switch is in the off position. Open the cabinet beneath your disposal and sink. Remove all chemicals and other items to prepare a clutter-free workspace. Make certain that the surface is dry, with no puddles of water or chemicals present. Next, unplug your garbage disposal from its outlet. Locate the reset button and press it firmly. Plug your disposal in and test it by turning on the switch. Some units require a cooling off period of 10 to 15 minutes if the unit has overheated. Some disposals can be cleared with the supplied Allen wrench, which usually requires just a few turns to dislodge obstructions. For more information, see your manufacturer's product care guide.
Taylor Morrison. Homes inspired by you.